This dance is called Just Fly. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve a level line dance with one tag. Starting on the right foot, step the right forward, clap twice, and that's going to be on count 2 and. Then you step forward on the left, clap on count 4, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right over the left, sweep the left around to the front. That set of steps once more then, step claps off on the right. 7, 8, step, clap, clap, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep. Weave to the right, so you're going to cross the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight back on the right. Chassé to the left with a quarter turn on the end. Side, close, quarter turn. That set of steps once more from our sweep off on the left into that weave. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Let's add that to the top. Step claps off on the right. 7, 8, step, clap, clap, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Then you're going to make 1/8 of a turn to the left as you point your right to the side. So you should now be facing 7:30. Touch the right beside the left, step the right, big step to the side, touch the left beside the right. All facing 7:30. Continue facing 7:30 as you repeat those steps but without that 1/8 of a turn. So you're going to point the left to the side, touch the left beside the right, big step to the left, drag and touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more. Remember you have to turn yourself to face 7:30 for this section of steps. Point touch, side touch, off on that right. 7, 8, point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch. Now there are some styling steps you can do in that particular section, should you wish. So you will do your point touch. When you do your big step to the side, raise both of your arms up. I can only do it with one arm. And then touch. And you do exactly the same with the left. Point, touch, side touch. So you can raise your arms. Styling steps, should you wish to do so in that section. So let's add that to the top. Step, clap, off on the right. 7, 8, step, clap, clap, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn, point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch. Don't forget the arms if you wish to put those in. Toe strut to the side. So you're going to step your right toe to the right side, lower the heel. You're still facing 7:30. A cross strut with the left. But when you do this cross strut, you're actually going to end up facing 9 o'clock. So you're going to cross your left over the right. As you lower the heel, you're squaring yourself up to 9 o'clock. Then you're going to walk 4 steps in a circle to your right, so you end up back where you start. So 4 steps to the right, full turn, right, left, right, left. So that set of steps once more then. Side strut, cross strut, into that full turn walk. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side strut, cross strut, walk, 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 walk. So by virtue of the name of that, a full turn over 4 steps, it is doing a complete full turn. If you need to try and take that out, literally keep yourself facing 9 o'clock, 4 steps, but make that circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're circling but sort of travelling backwards and forwards, but always keeping your eyes focused on that 9 o'clock wall. So those are your non-turning steps, should you need to do something different on those last 4 steps. Now there are also some styling steps you can do with that full turn. So because of the nature of the name of the dance, Just Fly, you're going to be flying like an aeroplane. So you will raise your right arm, you'll lower your left as you walk around those 4 steps. 4 steps, flying like an aeroplane. So optional styling steps, should you wish to put those in. So it is the end of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Step, clap, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, clap, clap, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch, side, strut, cross, strut, walk, 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 walk. So that's your dance. The only and count that is in it is in that chassé turn, in that second section. So no other and counts at all. So I'm not going to propose to go through the counts, but it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step, clap, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, clap, clap, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch, side, strut, cross, strut, walk, 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 walk. Step, clap, clap, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch, side, strut, cross, strut, walk, 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 walk. Step, clap, clap, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch, side, strut, cross, strut, walk, 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 walk. So that is your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 4, so you'll actually be facing 12 o'clock when you come to do the tag. Quite simply, the tag is a forward rock over 4 counts. So you're going to rock forward over the first 2, recover over the second 2 counts. So it's a forward, 1, 2, back, 3, 4. There are also some optional arm movements that you can actually do. As you rock forward, raise your arms. As you rock back, lower them. So wall 4 is our 3 o'clock wall. So let's just do wall 4, add on the tag, and restart the dance. Remember, it's a slow forward rock. Step, clap, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, clap, clap, step, clap, side, rock, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chassé, turn. Point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch, side strut, cross strut, walk, 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 tag, forward, rock, start again, step, clap, clap, step, clap, into your side rock cross sweep. So that's where your tag comes in. End of wall 4, you're facing 12 o'clock, that's slow forward rock. So that's it, that is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to better music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, clap, step, clap. Side rock, cross swing, cross side, behind side, cross rock, shuffle, turn, flip, touch, side touch, point, touch, side strut, cross strut, walks. Step, clap, step, clap, side rock, cross swing, cross side, behind side, cross rock, shuffle, turn, point, touch, side touch, point, touch, side strut, cross strut, walks. Step, side rock, cross swing, cross side, behind side, cross rock, shuffle, turn, point, touch, side touch, side strut, cross strut, walks. Step, side rock, cross swing, cross side, behind side, cross rock, shuffle, turn, point, touch, side touch, side strut, cross strut, walks. Tag, forward, rock. Step, side rock, cross swing, cross side behind side, cross rock, shuffle, turn, points, toe struts, step, points, toe struts, step, toe struts, step, weave, points, toe struts, Hope you managed that one.